Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Audi and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around an installation that we just carried out to an Audi Q5 with a detachable tow bar and a 7-pin dedicated wiring loom. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So today's video is all about adding a detachable tow bar onto an Audi Q5. You might be thinking, why are we making a video on a tow bar? The reason is basically to give you and educate you guys about not only what's actually involved on an install like this, but also the advantages of actually going through and actually adding in something like this as well. In terms of the solution, the reason why people travel all over the UK and even all over the world to us now is actually because of the level of installation that we're doing behind the scenes, and that's what these things are all about. In terms of the solution that we've gone for is a Westfalia detachable swan neck tow bar and a 7-pin dedicated wiring loom. The main thing I want to talk to you about is wiring. However, we'll talk about the tow bar to begin with. The actual bar itself, basically you remove the bumper, crash beam gets removed, new bar goes on, gets bolted into factory positions, and then actually that allows for a fully detachable, really easy to use, guys. Literally you just pull out the neck, twist it, and it literally comes straight out, and it's got the full same sort of strength as such in terms of towing capacity as a fixed bar. So overall, a really nice solution. That means the vehicle can go back to a stock look, which is very nice when you're not towing. Also, it means your shins don't hit it as you're walking by the vehicle when it's left on, but also the main thing is it returns it back to a stock look and you don't have an issue with parking sensors going off as well. So that's basically the bar. That is basically works out on your towing capacity of your vehicle, and the actual tow bar is actually manufactured to that same spec as well. So they are very, very vehicle specific. In terms of the electrics, we've gone for a 7-pin dedicated wiring loom. Generally speaking, people have a 13-pin dedicated wiring loom or the 7-pin. Depends on what you're towing, what you're planning on using the vehicle for. In terms of this solution, 7-pin is generally used for small trailers and some of the cycle carriers. However, 13-pin is a more commonly used solution for caravans, for larger cycle carriers and other items that you might be looking to tow. It's very important that you get that correct. If you're never going to tow a caravan, it's fine to put 7-pin on. However, if you're going to be towing a mix of things over time, it is worth putting a 13-pin on and using a little adapter to drop you down to a 7. So there are options there. However, you don't really want to be putting 7-pin on your car and then using an adapter to go to 13. So if you are just towing one set cycle carrier or something very, very small, then 7-pin's absolutely fine. The main thing though is it's a dedicated wiring loom, guys. So this basically means it goes into given points from manufacturer. Also, it gets recoded to tell the car that the car's brain is now being told that whenever you plug anything in to adapt braking systems, fuel systems, load of safety features get basically changed and adapt as soon as you plug in, because you are adding additional weight onto the vehicle. So it's very important that all of those software features, you bought the vehicle not only for the look of the vehicle and the feel of the vehicle, but also because of its safety features to keep you guys safe while on the road. Adding a tow bar by another installer that's installing what's called bypass electrics is completely wrong, guys. You shouldn't be having it installed on a vehicle like this. These cars are intelligent, these safety systems are intelligent. You need to have a dedicated wiring loom. It needs to be recoded professionally. All needs to be done in a very, very professional way. Reason is because otherwise you guys won't be safe on the roads. So make sure whoever's doing your install, if it's not us, it's someone else, make sure you're having a dedicated wiring loom installed and it's all done very safely and very properly. So hopefully you found the video useful. You've seen a little bit more about what's involved, but also you've seen actually the advantages of having a dedicated wiring loom and a tow bar system installed onto your vehicle. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. But thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.